Mohit and Seema were husband and wife. They had twin sons named Sonu and Monu. Both of them were twins, but their faces were completely different. Not only their faces, but their thoughts and habits were quite different. Like every day, Mohit wakes up on Sunday early in the morning and sees that Sonu also wakes up early on Sunday and is studying sitting outside on the couch.
Sonu son, what is the matter that you are getting up so early in the morning to study?
Papa, there's a Hindi class test tomorrow and the English project has to be given to Ma'am after 2 days. That's why I sat down to study from morning. Just then, Seema brings breakfast for Sonu. See, one of our son is Sonu, who wakes up early in the morning, took bath and started studying. And the other is Monu, who woke up early in the morning but went out to play bat ball with his friends. Just then, Monu comes there and talks to Mom. Mom, quickly give me breakfast. While playing bat ball, I got hungry. You are completely drenched in sweat. First take bath, then I will give you the breakfast. Oh Mom, even on a day off, you don't let me rest in peace. I get one holiday in a week. In that too, you bathe me in the morning and make me sit down to study. I have the whole day to study. I will take a bath and also study.
Sonu son, what is the matter? You have a test tomorrow. So like Sonu, first of all you should prepare for the test and the rest is just playing around.
Papa, I will study as well. I still have the whole day for that.
Those who do not work on time always have to repent. Hence, whether it is work, eating or playing sports, everything should be done on time. Only then you will be able to move ahead in life. Learn to utilize time properly like Sonu does. I have to go out for some important work. I will come in the evening and listen to Hindi questions and answers from both of you.
Saying this, Mohit goes away from there. After some time, Sonu learns everything in Hindi, starts making a project in English, while Monu starts watching TV instead of studying. Monu's friends come to his house to invite him to play. Monu, everyone is waiting for you to play bat ball outside and you are busy watching this idiot box? Monu calls his mother. Mom, I'm going to play with my friends. If you go to play, then when will you study? If you don't study more, then your marks will come down. Hey Mom, I will study in the evening and see, I will also make the English project. Anyway, the test is not today, but tomorrow. And as far as marks are concerned, it is up to luck whether it is good or bad. Saying this, Monu goes out to play with his friends. When Mohit comes home in the evening, he sees that Sonu has prepared and decorated his English project as well. Yes, Dad, my preparation for the Hindi test is also complete.
Seema, this Monu is not visible anywhere.
As soon as Mohit sounds like this, Monu enters the house with a bat in his hand.
You have been roaming around with a bat since morning. Looking at you, it seems that neither you have taken bath nor have you studied anything.
Oh, Papa, you started talking about studies as soon as you are back, and it is only evening. I will study too. Monu used to postpone all his work till tomorrow, due to which all his work remained incomplete. The next day, Sonu got good marks in the test, whereas Monu got a lot of upbraiding from Ma'am because of getting bad marks. When both of them came home, also from Mother, Monu got reprimanded a lot. Hey, have some shame, Monu. You have a brother who is of the same age as you. He does all his work on time and you keep postponing it, due to which you always lag behind others. As soon as Mohit comes home in the evening, he sees the test numbers of both Sonu and Monu.
Monu, this is what I expected from you. Such dirty numbers? That too in Hindi and English, you would finish the project by tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, isn't it?
Papa, what should I do? My luck is going bad. Mohit explains Monu with love.
Son, the person who does not make proper use of time, who always keeps postponing his work for tomorrow and depends on his luck, can never progress in life. Hence, we should use our time properly. Both of you got leave, but Sonu used the time properly, and its result is in front of you. And as for luck, we are taught to make our own luck. So learn to utilize the time well and stay high in everyone's eyes. Son, I am having high expectation from you. Hope you understand what I am telling to teach you. Son, hence we should